Hey guys, welcome back to another video about subject and object pronouns. Hopefully after this video, you're going to understand a little bit more how subject and object pronouns work. So here we have the chart that we have been using for subject and object pronouns. So our subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And our object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. We have already talked that what these two columns, or the subject and the object pronouns, have in common are the words you and it. They're over here. And you, it's over here, and it. Okay, so hopefully you have already this written down in your notebook. If not, pause the video and write them down, guys. Okay, so now we have 9 sentences. I want you to pause the video and write these 9 sentences down in your notebook, because we're gonna go one by one, circling pronouns or underlining pronouns, and we're gonna write if they are subject or object pronouns. So now everyone should pause the video, write the sentences down, underline the pronoun that you see, and you're gonna tell me if it's subject pronoun or object pronoun. Remember that you have the chart. So with that chart, it's gonna be easier for you to see if it's subject or if it's object pronoun. So remember to use the chart. Okay, let's go with sentence number 1. I decided to eat yogurt for lunch. Our pronoun is I. So, if we look at our chart, I is a subject pronoun. Okay, so that one's easy. Let's go to sentence number 2. The rain falls on you. So this is a tricky one because you is one of the words that it could be a subject pronoun or it could also be an object pronoun. So what we are going to do now is we're going to find our action verb. The rain falls on you. Falls. That's our action verb. So our pronoun is after the action verb. It's after the action verb. That means it's a object pronoun. Okay, let's go to sentence number 3. After school, he went to cooking classes. He. If we look at the chart, that's going to be a subject pronoun. Let's look at sentence number 4. The school was closed, but that was not a problem for her. If we go to the chart, her is a object pronoun. Let's see sentence number 5. Michael used the key to close it. It is one of those tricky words that it could be a subject pronoun or it can be an object pronoun. So what do we do here? We go and find our action verb. Michael used the key to close it. So you find the action verb and you ask yourself, is the pronoun before or after the action verb? So in this case is after. That means it's an object pronoun. Okay? If you need more time, guys, you can pause the video here, look at the sentences again, or you can rewind and hear it all again. Let's go to the next set of sentences. Number 6. It was very hot and sunny. So, here, Let's find our pronoun first. It. Now that we have our pronoun, we're gonna find our action verb. After having our action verb, remember we're gonna ask ourselves if the pronoun is before the action verb or after the action verb. In this case, it is before. So that means it's a subject pronoun. Remember, with the words it and you, those are the tricky words that we need to ask ourselves, where is the action verb? If it is before the action verb, it's a subject pronoun. If it's after the action verb, it's an object pronoun. Okay, let's look at sentence number 7. You were supposed to go and pick up the food. You. So you is one of the tricky words again. So we find our action verb and where is our pronoun? Is it before or after? In this case, it is before. So that makes it a subject pronoun. Let's go to sentence number 8. They are eating nuggets from McDonald's. Our pronoun is they, and if you go, that's an easy one. If you go to the chart, they is a subject pronoun. Let's look at the last one. Diego wished he was with them. Let's concentrate only in this one. I know he, it's also another pronoun, but we're going to look only at this one, them. If you look at the chart, them, it's a object pronoun. Okay, guys, this was all for now. This was just a little review so you can understand a little bit more about subject and object pronouns. Don't worry if you don't get it completely. We're gonna see this again and again because it's a tricky subject. So don't worry, but you're all doing very good from all of the homeworks that I have seen, guys. So good luck in everything else, and bye, guys. See you in next class.